geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, and then coordinate geometry. Okay, so be thorough with these 4 topics first, because these topics are based on formulas. Formulas and concepts. If you get thorough, it is enough if you spend 2 days in these concepts. Okay. Apart from a particular formula, apart from a particular method, they are not going to ask you any twisted question under these topics. It is very tough. If they ask you if the question pattern, then it will go to the CAT exam level. Okay, so first, be thorough with the concepts like geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, coordinate geometry formulas, and try to work out the basic questions under these topics. Okay, this is the thing. And the next part for mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, the very, very important is you should be thorough with your speed max. Okay, you should be thorough with your speed max. Under speed max, you should cover concepts like fast addition, okay, and then fast multiplication, basic concepts like multiplication, fast multiplication, the concepts like multiplying a number by 5, multiplying a number by 25, multiplying a number by 11. So these fast multiplication concepts you should be thorough initially. And the very important concept is you should know percentage to fraction concept. So how to convert a percentage to fraction, that is very, very important. Okay, so you should be thorough with percentage to fraction conversion concept. That is very important. And after covering this percentage to fraction conversion, you should be able to know the square values and square roots and divisibility rules. Okay, these are the few concepts which come under speed max. So first, before starting with your mathematical skills part like time and work, time, speed and distance, or so and so, be thorough with the basic concepts of fast calculation, fast addition, multiplication, percentage to fraction conversion, finding out the square and square root, and applying divisibility rules. Okay, the next thing you should focus under mathematical part is you should cover the concepts that will help you to work out the questions in mathematical skills as well as data sufficiency. Okay, the topics which cover mathematical skills and data sufficiency are percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion and partnership. Ratio, proportion, partnership and Venn diagram basics. Okay, so this is the second part you have to focus. First, try to concentrate on the speed max concepts and then percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, partnership concepts. Okay, so if you concentrate on percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, partnership concepts, definitely based on these topics, you can expect 20 to 25 questions. Out of 80 questions, 20 to 25 questions you can expect from this topic. Okay, so in data analysis part also, there are questions based on percentage, profit and loss only. Sometimes if they want to set the question tough, they are going for the concepts like time and work, time, speed and distance. Okay, then after covering this part, third, work with geometry, mensuration, trigonometry formulas, coordinate geometry formulas, and fourth part, come to the remaining part. Okay, like LCM and HCF concept. So LCM and HCF concept, that should come in speed max. Okay, you should know the basics of LCM and HCF concept. Without that, it is very, very tough. Okay, so then time and work, time, speed and distance, pipes and systems, and calendar based problems, probability, permutation and combination, and so on. Average, allegation. Okay, so cover the remaining parts as the last. Okay, so first be thorough with your speed max, then just get thorough with your basics of percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, and then cover with the basic formulas of geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, coordinate geometry. Okay, it will take nearly 2 days. And after that, cover the remaining concepts in points. Definitely, if you follow this strategy, it will help you to crack your upcoming MAT examination. Definitely, you can achieve a good score of 60 plus out of 60 questions. You can attempt out of 80 questions. Okay, this is how you should prepare, right?